In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hubstaff from taking screenshots. If you've been trying to manage your team's time and projects effectively while ensuring privacy and reducing unnecessary monitoring, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to stop Hubstaff from capturing screenshots. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge will all do the job just fine. Once your browser is up and running, go ahead and type Hubstaff into the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see Hubstaff's official website pop up among the top results. Click on that link to head straight to the site. Now that you're on the Hubstaff homepage, it's time to sign in. Look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login details, and you'll be directed to your Hubstaff dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so it's essential to make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're settled on your dashboard, focus your attention on the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of different options. From these, click on Settings. A drop-down menu will appear, so proceed to select Policies from this menu. This section allows you to modify how your Hubstaff account functions and interacts with your team. Within the Policies settings, the next step is to locate the Activity and Tracking tab. Clicking on this will unveil several options concerning how your team's activity is tracked. Our main point of interest here is the Screenshot Frequency setting. This particular setting determines how often, if at all, screenshots are taken during your team's work hours. Here's the part where you get to customize your settings according to your needs. Under the Global Settings section, you have the option to choose None. Selecting this will disable screenshots entirely for all team members, providing you with a blanket approach to managing privacy. However, if you'd prefer a more tailored approach, you can adjust the settings within the Individual Settings section. This is particularly useful if you only want to stop screenshots for specific users while maintaining them for others. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully stopped Hubstaff from taking screenshots, ensuring a more private and trust-based work environment for your team. Remember that modifying these settings requires appropriate permissions, so make sure you have administrative rights before making changes. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your team with Hubstaff.